What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life back to 100% after an oil change on a 2024 Chevy Equinox. So you need to be in the vehicle with the Equinox running. Then I'm going to be using these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the arrow to the left, and that's going to take me to this screen. Then I'm going to use the arrow to scroll up until info is highlighted, and then I'm going to press the check mark, and that's going to take us to the info screens. Once we're on here, I'm going to use the up or down arrow and keep scrolling up or down until we get to the oil life. Once we have our oil life percentage up, then what I'm going to do is press and hold down this check mark right here. So press and hold that down and keep holding it down until it goes back to 100%. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.